friends and all, so it is possible you can earn the same amount or the better amount from your hometown. I can share the examples also with people who are not in Delhi but they are earning more than Delhiites.
So can it be because of cost of living it is lower in hometown?
Yes, you are right. That is the one point. But because your cost of living is lesser over there, your pollution is lesser over there, you have fresh air over there, but that is only the one part. But we are talking about digitization here. So we are talking about that impact. Because 2, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years if you spend in Delhi, you will be having ample knowledge, ample experience. What is the problem in the market? Now you will pick any one burning problem from that market, and you can be working on that area. Number one. Second, being an employee, you can just give that proposal to the same company or the other. Nowadays companies are having the work from home option, wherein people are earning in lakhs also. Their fixed salary is 0, but they are earning 1,15,000, 85,000, lowest 75,000. How? Because of the network they have built up. Network knowledge. So the company is giving them the queries. These are the queries. They are ethical to them. They have the knowledge, experience. Now queries, whatever they have, it's okay. Even if they don't have, but they have experience, they have knowledge, they know what is customer requires, what is the value of service. Because what happens is, you conduct any OTA, any company, what happens? Before taking a package, you are getting n number of calls, messages, WhatsApp. But once you are making the payment, then they forget. So you have to identify this problem. Or if you are going to do the same, then you are going to get the same what others are getting. Then do not trade. So 5 years हो गई, growth हो गई नहीं. I'm still at 20,000 rupees. I'm still at team member level. If I ask you to do your analysis, what you have done in that 5 years, तो वो ना 1 महीने का ब्रेक ले लिया था, कंपनी ने निकाल दिया, दूसरी कंपनी में चले गए. आप 15 days लगे, 20 days लगे, न्यू कंपनी में इंटरव्यू दिया, हो गया क्लियर, फिर क्लोज कर दिया. But why you have taken that 1 month break? And if it is, if your situations doesn't allow you, then talk to your boss, talk to your manager. Like, I have this issue, but I wanted to work for this organization. If you have genuine issues, do not create medical emergencies. Do not create unless it is required. Do not create that emergencies, because that is going to harm you in future. Maybe you are enjoying that part, but then you keep on moving to the companies. That time you are compromising on yourself, your time, your personal time, every time. Sorry, because if you are switching on companies to companies, you are hitting your score in the CV. Nowadays companies are more strict, and they can even find you after 3 months if you have not given the right information. They can just shut you off what you have gained out. So be ethical to the industry, be responsible to the industry, to you, to your family, to your society, and to the nation. Right? So digitization, coming back to my point, you understood how you can work from your hometown. You can work with the same company, with a different company. You can work for even 2 companies also, but make sure you are doing ethical practices. Right? That's which has been required. We are here for, to make you responsible candidates for the industry. So reach out to the masses. Even if you want to start up something new, you can reach out to the masses. Being sitting in Madhya Pradesh or the Bihar or the UP. So you can have the access to the globalization. Even if you can contact the German client. If someone of you have done German language course. So, and if you would like to have German candidate clients, so you can just contact them over the email, over the phone, over the WhatsApp, over the Skype. You should be having knowledge. So that is the power of digitization. You can create your brand awareness by reaching more and more public. Then next we have decide market audience as per region, other parameters like age, income, gender, and profile. So let me just give you the example. If somebody wants to open a bullet showroom, have anybody been to Mayapuri area? And then, or any slum area you will say, or in the Mumbai, that is a slum area. If they are going to open over there, they invest a lot. Are they going to get business? Are they going to drive business? No. If anyone you can say yes, sir, investment होना चाहिए, पैसा होना चाहिए, we can do any damn thing.
So there is a Harley Davidson showroom in Mayapuri.
In?
Harley Davidson.
I'm talking about slum area. I'm not talking about.
We are talking about industrial
slum,
area.
not industrial area, slum area.
Slum area.
We are on that topic. We will not go beyond that topic. So we will not deviate from the topic. Why I have taken the, there is a reason. So that you should understand what is going to be your market. Being an employee or the employer. So what is going to be your market? So if you are selling, like let's say any international package, and if you are reaching out to the people who are just just like say below income level, and you will say, sir, we have spent 2 lakh rupees on the advertisement and we did not get the response. So spending 2 lakh rupees on the wrong audience is your wrong decision. That is going to kill your P&L. So that was the example I wanted to give it to you. Even if you spend high, that doesn't mean if spending on the wrong things. If opening a bullet showroom, Harley Davidson showroom in the slum area, maybe you are aware, like 5 years back when Big Bazaar came up with the sale of 15th August Independence Day, many of the people they went in and they just theft all the accessories, everything. They made a chaos and all. It was in the newspaper and all. So these are the ethics of the Indians. Like we are not talking bad about the society, but we have to change it. So you all are there because people who are coming from outside or people who are sitting abroad, Indians or NRIs or anyone else, when they are listening to these things, they really it pains, it hurts. When we are going over there, when we are meeting, so they say this is what happening in here.
Right.
So we have to change. If we are 16 people, we are working with 16 different organizations. So take a oath, like we are going to be responsible for the tourism for the nation, for your company, for your family, for yourself. So this is the oath which has been required from your side. Right? So decide market audience. You can decide online market audience, income level, and everybody is available on the internet today. So you can decide what you can publish on the Facebook or WhatsApp or any Instagram, Twitter, what platform you are going to use, emails, calling. So you can use that data. And after that, other parameters like age, income, gender. So you must be knowing, like a student of class 7, he is not going to Thailand, he is not going to Singapore. And if he is going with a school. So the student is not the right market. So if you are spending on the students between the bracket of 10 to 15, 18, 17 years, and we are publishing high end packages and all, and then you say, okay sir, I am getting queries, but they are unproductive. We are not getting confirmations. The conversion rate is down. Sir, my manager is always giving a pressure. And many of the times we see, sir, I don't want to go in sales. I am afraid of sales. Sir, बहुत pressure होता है sir. Sir, job insecurity है. But कहीं ना कहीं on daily basis we are making sales. When you came here, you have been interviewed. That was also you have presented yourself. Now once you go for after sales, then also you are making yourself presentable. You are just trying to sell your services to the employer, but you don't know you are making sales. But there is a you have made it a league of the mind. Like sales में बहुत pressure होता है भाई, sales में मत जाना. Why? You should be open for that. Sir, give me any program. Just analyze my skills. Give me any area. I am open to it. Although it is a skill set also, then company can take final call whether you are ready for the sales or not. But that is exceptionally. But do not make it a leap of your mind. Okay, sales तो नहीं sir. तो sales में job मिल रही है तो इसलिए नहीं. but most of the time we are not knowing, and after sales में भी जाके you have to upgrade. Nobody has thought of. I have met many of the employees, many of the students, many of the interns. I take the feedback. सर आफ्टर सेल्स में सर इतनी प्रॉब्लम्स आती है ना, उसी से टाइम नहीं मिलता. जो कस्टमर ने एक बार फाइनल कर दिया, हमें तो सर वो फाइनल करके देना, दैट इज अ कमिटमेंट. बट हैव वी रियली थॉट ऑफ एडिंग ऑन सम वैल्यू वंस ही हैज बुक्ड, लेट्स से ही हैज बुक्ड द पैकेज ऑफ लेट्स से यूरोप का पैकेज उन्होंने बुक कर लिया. द पेरिस इज देयर एंड दे आर कमिंग आउट फ्रॉम द इटली. So from Milan they are from Rome they are coming out. तो हमने एक पैकेज उनको सेट करके दे दिया 1,70,000 rupees, cover 3 countries, 4 countries. This is the set itinerary. That's okay. The sales part has been done. You have already received the payment. Now you are into the after sales. आप hotels confirm कर रहे हो, उनके air ticket confirm कर रहे हो, but suddenly आप देखते हो कि वहाँ पे just to save the cost, पेरिस में डिज्नीलैंड तो दिया ही नहीं इनको. ठीक है, पेरिस में थेम्स रिवर है और उसके पास हमने इनको डिनर करवा सकते हैं या लंच करवा सकते हैं. सो इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल एवरी टाइम लाइक कस्टमर विल से यस, बट इट इज पॉसिबल मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स कस्टमर विल से यस. सो यू आर इंक्रीजिंग दी वैल्यू एडिंग सर्विसेज टू दी कस्टमर्स, you are increasing the turnover of the organization, you are adding on your experience into that package. If you know that couple is honeymoon, you can arrange a just honeymoon amenities like honeymoon cake, a bottle of wine, bed decoration and all. But we don't want to do that because sir अगर ये करेंगे ना इसमें लगेगा extra effort, उसके लिए stay back मुझे ही करना पड़ेगा. तो इसलिए बेटर है जो किया है वो करने दो and let's leave. उससे होगा क्या? No. You are not losing your customers because customer is getting whatever he has paid for. So you are not using your skills on that time, or you are not even thinking of adding on something. Bank of Badria, you take any of the itinerary in the entire India, चाहे वो डीपर्स हो या ज़्यादा हो, चाहे वो मेक माई ट्रिप हो या यात्रा हो. अगर आप थाईलैंड का बैंक ऑफ बड़ौदा का पैकेज उठा लोगे, you will get standard itinerary. That's okay, you can sell that. But do you have any idea? There is an island called Koh Samui near to Pattaya. Passengers guests can go over there and experience the a real feel of Thailand and just away from the Bangkok crowd, Pattaya crowd, and they can just relax. So nobody, if family is going, if the couple is going, you can recommend them that thing, but you have to be open for that. कि कोस्ट में क्या है, कैसे जाएंगे, कौन सी पियर है. It is possible from Pattaya or there is a close by pier to it. You have to work on that. But if you keep your mind open, so you will get these things in other countries also. So if somebody is going to Phuket Krabi, you can add Khao Lak. Khao Lak is 1.5 hour drive from Phuket. Everyone is selling Phuket Krabi. If you just add on that thing, you are coming out of the competition. अब आप प्राइस मैच करते हो. व्हेन यू नो आपके पास आईफोन है, सैमसंग का फोन है, आपको पता है मुझे J5 लेना है, आईफोन i9 लेना है, i8 लेना है. You know this is my product. Now you compare it because you have a choice of digitization. But when you are giving something extra, passenger will take time. You have to create. Sir, this booking is available for next 24 hours only. अब next 24 hours में next company को बहुत ज़्यादा time लग जाएगा because they have not done the homework, because they don't have the employees like you who are going beyond their jobs, who are thinking of out of the box. So this is the kind of culture we have to create in, so that we get creativity, innovation in the same time, in the same industry. Same package जो 25,000, 30,000, 35,000 में sell out हो रहा है, you can add on extra markup. आपको पता normally वो 500 से 3,000 के markup है, you can add on now 2,000 rupees extra. What it is going to do? Or sir, what we are getting out of it? Do not think that thing in the initial stage. just see after 10 years what you got after this. You cannot ask what your country has done for you. You have to show yourself what you have done for your country. So firstly, it's your time. You just give back to the organization, to their customers. Definitely they are going to give back to you. Do not see कि sir इतना profit हमने कर दिया company के लिए, but company has done nothing for us. It is for the smaller level. We are not talking about exceptions. कि exceptionally क्या हुआ कि 2-4 कंपनी, 5 कंपनी, 10 कंपनीज ने अगर ऐसा कर भी दिया, अगर कुछ नहीं पे किया, तो it's okay. But maybe they are considering that, and after your year, supposedly you have a marriage or you have your cousin's marriage, or if there is any problem, if they are giving you that money on that time, if you are going to be manager, you have to think of on those points. Like sir, this is the extra profit which we have made it for the organization. I think we should go for a party. We should go and visit some hotel. We should go to Jim Corbett so that we can have practical exposure. Right? So coming back on that topic, next is competitive advantage to clients. Now if we are talking about impacts, so this is the competitive advantage for clients. Customer के पास competitive advantage है. If you being a customer, अगर आप iPhone लेने जा रहे हो, आप Samsung लेने जा रहे हो, if you are moving to 3 shops, if you are moving to 3 websites, so customer also have the right to go for other companies because of ease of business, because they are easily accessible. He can just make a simple call to Jaswal. He can make Sulekha. There are lots of websites which gives you like a multiple agencies program. So multiple agencies are working on the same package. So customer have ease on that. So client is getting that competitive advantage on that. Your markups are going to be down, but same time client is getting advantage of it. Now next is you can start from the scratch to large scale. You can start from zero. Let's say if you are an entrepreneur and if you are working in the organization, you say, sir, hello, just have a water or just please. You fine? Okay. Is it that boring? That's okay. So practically, if you are the employee of the organization, then also you can start. You can create a Facebook page. You can do WhatsApp marketing for the existing clients, your friends, family. You can create your WhatsApp status. You can use, there are so many applications available for trading packages. Even if your DMCs are, giving you without name packages, you can put that on poster. So that is how you can start from scratch. You can create a, free Just Dial listing, free listing for the, other online portals which are trading marketing. So you can start from scratch also. So do not give this blame, sir. What we can do, sir, that our manager or our boss has to do. हमें तो सर काम आएगा तो हम करेंगे. No, we don't have to think of that labor point of view. I'm sorry I'm using this word, but if you see, after our office there is a 5-star hotel which has been under construction. So we were discussing in the office, like there are more than 500 laborers who are working, but I said how many are the engineers? They may see like sir 15-20. Why they are engineers? Why they are not working like them? So we have to come out from that employee level thinking, that limitize our knowledge skills. कि सर मेरी नॉलेज से किसी और को बेनिफिट ना हो जाए, होने दो, लेट इट बी, होने दो बेनिफिट. There will be a time when you are going to get that benefit out of it. There will be a time. But अगर आप trust me, if you are not going to share your knowledge, if you are not going to increase your knowledge day by day, trust me, there will be a time you will be on the same level, or you will move on to some other industry, or you will leave this industry. Okay, so there are pros and cons to it. Then we have ease of scaling business. So if we have more clients, more value, more money, more funds, we can easily scale them. It's not like if somebody having funds, then also he's thinking of like I cannot spend my funds. How do I spend funds? So there are market research which are available easily online and offline. Then ease of doing transactions and coordination among airlines, hotels, DMCs. Like you think about 10, 12, 15 years back when there were paper tickets, just like railway tickets. 4 parts होते थे tickets के. Hope you are aware of. Hope they are aware of. Okay, that has not been. But सुना होगा सबने कि पहले पेपर टिकट्स होते थे.
Yes, yes, sir.
Everybody is aware. फिर पेपर टिकट से बूम आया, मेक माई ट्रिप लगा, ई टिकट्स होने लगे. They had, faced many of these challenges, but at last they succeeded. So being an entrepreneur or the employee, have patience. Have patience. Do not expect from the institute, from the company on immediately basis. Sir, 3 months का course कर लें और उसके बाद मैं, shall I be placed on 20-25,000 की salary? Do not go after the salary. Salary will come after you. You will get the calls from the employers. Like, we would like to work with you, rather than you are approaching them. So you have to make yourself in such a way. You have to use your notes. You have to use the practical knowledge which you are sharing over here, getting over here. Whatever your friends, colleagues, friends, they are doing into the industry. There are online, educational platforms are available, wherein you can attend the webinars of the, countries, of the hotels, of the airlines. So you can, go for it. And coordination among the airlines. So सोचो मतलब क्या होता था, 4 parts of tickets एक ट्रैवल एजेंसी को कॉन्टैक्ट करते थे. सर टिकट दे दो सर, शाम को आपके घर भेज देंगे. शाम को बोला है सर रश ज्यादा हो गया था, आपको भेजिए भाई, सॉरी. But there was a problem. That is the reason they exist. There was the problem with the drivers. That is the reason Ola Uber exists. So you have to identify the problem. फिर नेक्स्ट डे फोन किया, अच्छा सर आज तो भेज ही देते हैं. फिर उनके पास गए, वो टिकट्स लेके फिर वो ट्रैवल करेंगे सर, फिर आएंगे वापस वो एयरलाइन के पास रिकॉर्ड, या दे हैव टू मेंटेन रिकॉर्ड्स, ये ट्रैवल एजेंसी को दे हैव टू मेंटेन रिकॉर्ड्स. Everything gone. E-tickets came into the picture. So with e-tickets, integration is so much easy. We are booking here, Delhi to London, and the passenger is at the airline. They are just outside the airport. They are just reaching and they are saying, okay, book my tickets, and you have just booked it. Sending the ticket over the WhatsApp, over the email. He is just showing at the airport, and he can take a boarding pass. Once he is at the airport. So how ease and convenience it will be. So that is ease of the business, and that is of ease of doing transactions. Now you can add on more transactions. You can ask your banks like to generate payment gateways for you, and if the person sitting in Kolkata, they can make you payment with a credit card, with the debit card, with the net banking, they can transfer it. So that is all because of digitization. So same ways, hotels and all. Earlier we used to do them calls and then sending in letters and emails came into the picture. We are not going to discuss more about that. I think you are aware of all that things. How do you, if anybody having